So we've got spaghetti, we've got chili, we've got fresh tomatoes, we've got anchovies. This is a really simple, beautiful spaghetti pasta. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, this is a nice, quick, easy pasta to get together and delicious. So in there I've got oil. I'm using sunflower oil. Use a different oil if you want, about 3 tablespoons. Dried red chili. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 there. You could be using chili flakes if you wanted. 1 cup of onion. 1 tablespoon of garlic. We are on an above medium heat. We're gonna go, just put that on now. We're gonna go for 4 minutes. Fabulous. Next up, we're gonna drop in 3 cups of fresh tomatoes. Salt, pepper, about a tablespoon of dried oregano or oregano. We're now going to cook this for 6 maybe minutes. We really want to cook those tomatoes right down. So we're still going, but I just wanted to show you the anchovies that we're using. This Cento, I actually really like this brand. It's really good. I just wanted to show it to you before I opened it up. There's 2 ounces there, or 56 grams. The whole lot's going to go in. So you can see our tomatoes are mushing just like that, super happy. So let's get those anchovies and the oil that they come in, the whole lot in there. And we're just going to cook for another 2 minutes. Again, we're on a fairly vibrantly high heat. Fabulous. Next up, some spaghetti. I've got it cooked here, in it goes. We're going to just throw this around 3 or 4 minutes, coating the spaghetti and heating it up. This spaghetti is actually cold, so I'm going to be heating it up for 3 or 4 minutes. Job done. Really simple, delicious. And there you go, anchovies, nice and salty, the chili, fabulous, the fresh tomatoes. Really simple, lovely, easy little spag. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.